like to introduce myself to you. My name is Verena Powell, and I'm running for Civil Court Judge in the 2nd Municipal District here in Bronx County, which represents the entire west side of the county of the Bronx. The reason I'm coming to you and running for this position is because I believe I'm the best candidate for the job. I have been an attorney for over 30 years now. I started off working in corporate America. I've been a prosecutor, I've been a defense attorney, I've been a mentor, I've been a supervisor. Fortunately, I've had the opportunity to work in civil court, criminal court, family court. I have vast experience. I think that the Bronx needs to be inclusive of the people of the Bronx, on the bench. They should represent each and every facet of this beautiful county. Hopefully, you will select me as a candidate when you vote on Tuesday, June the 22nd, 2021. Thank you.